back to Miller Motorcars. Today we're here at Aston Martin of Greenwich. My name is Justin Ashworth, a sales specialist here. And this is Lisa Anastas, also a sales specialist. And we're very excited to introduce to you today the first all-wheel drive Aston Martin SUV, the DBX. This particular spec is finished in one of Aston Martin's most iconic colors, silver birch, over a gorgeous red oxide and wolf gray felt interior. This is Aston Martin's very first SUV, but it's undeniably Aston Martin. Starting with the iconic S-curvature grille in the front with the aluminum horizontal vanes, tucked underneath the DBX's hood, featured with these exclusive bonnet blades, is a twin turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine shared with our Vantage and DB11 models. Moving along to the side of the DBX, you'll notice our aluminum side strake, which matches our bonnet blades, and our massive 22-inch wheels. The DBX comes with 2 wheel options. This is the ribbon design, and you also have a 5-spoke sport wheel. One unique feature of the DBX is the door design. The lower panel completely covers the rocker panels. That way, when entering and exiting the vehicle, you'll never get road grime on your clothing. The second unique feature of the DBX is the B-pillar design. It is completely made of glass to create one uniform look along the side of the DBX. The rear of the DBX is unmistakably Aston Martin, featuring twin tailpipes just like our DB11 models, and a signature tail flip deck lid just like the Vantage.
Being new to the Aston Martin brand, inside the cabin space you'll see that your gear changes are up top. So drive, neutral, reverse, park. For our clients that want a little bit more of a dynamic experience, you have your paddle shifts attached to your steering column. The most compelling thing I think about the DBX is that it suits all types of drivers. So for our GT customers that just want to cruise, you could push drive, don't have to make any adjustments while you're driving. Also for our customers that are into a more dynamic experience, there are 6 drive modes. So GT is your regular mode, most comfortable. Sport, Sport Plus, Terrain, Terrain Plus, and you also have an individual mode where you can specify each different setting you'd like in all the separate functions. With the DBX, some technologies that are really appealing is the active center transfer case. So electronically you can adjust the power and the torque to either 100% to the rear wheel or across the 2 axles and to all 4 tires. So for our, like I said, our people that are more assertive and spirited driving, they can put 100% to the power to the rear wheel, lower the chassis, and really make it feel like a sports car. The other settings are for more of our comfort GT drivers.
Oh yeah. Lively. So Lisa, what mode are we in now?
I'm just in sport. And honestly, it drives like the Vantage.
Really?
Well, yeah, because it has e-diff. So the drive in the Vantage is obviously way more rakish and aggressive than the DBs, but this is like a dual personality.
It is. I'm most impressed with the electronic anti-roll control. It is so level in the corners and handles way better than the truck should.
It does. Like I said, it just feels like I'm driving the Vantage. It even sounds like the Vantage. Having a torque converter, this car is a lot more engaging than most SUVs and most cars out there, because torque converters are going to let you really ride out in the rev range and the gear range.
And they're lighter weight than dual clutch transmissions.
They are, absolutely. So this makes you feel as if you're 100% in control all the time. It's never going to kick you out of the manual mode. And at any time, if you want to just go back to the automatic, just pull the upshift paddle, it goes back into automatic. Makes it easy.
It couldn't be more simple than that.
I think what's really important, especially with, I mean, not a lot of our clients are going to be super aggressive with driving an SUV. That's more for our sports car fans. However, it's all accessible on the steering wheel. You should be paying attention, keeping your hands here on the steering wheel, having access to your paddles. And that way you can go in and out of manual mode or automatic mode whenever you want to.
I agree. And I think one thing about the DBX I really like is the versatility. Not only is the interior, the fit and finish is true Aston Martin quality, but you can do anything in this car. You can have passengers in the rear, You can drive it like a sports car. While this is the same engine we use in our other platforms, this is tuned to 542 horsepower with 516 pounds of torque. It's capable of towing almost 6,000 pounds, and 0 to 60 time is 4.3 seconds. While this SUV is very practical, it's no slouch as a performance vehicle.
Absolutely not. It is so much fun.
And Lisa thinks it's so much fun.
I'm having so much fun. We hope you enjoyed the drive today with the beautiful DBX. If you have any further questions about this model or any other model,
Please feel welcome to visit us at 273 West Putnam Avenue here in Greenwich, Connecticut.